wawaka mama moto wawaka.
Moto 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 guli waka kabamba
wawaka.
Moto
wawaka wawaka
moto guli waka chiboga
wawaka. wawaka wawaka
moto guli waka lwamata
wawaka. wawaka wawaka
moto guli waka katera
wawaka. wawaka wawaka
moto guli waka bukomero
wawaka. wawaka wawaka
moto wawaka mama moto wawaka.
Moto wawaka mama moto wawaka.
Moto guli waka kasese wakumbira wakalia mbele yetu hakuna moto kuna waka mbele yetu ae mama.
With only 3 days to the celebration of 38 years of NRM liberation that will be celebrated in Jinja City at Wachitaka Playgrounds, Church of Uganda Family TV today has engaged with several women, including RCC Masaka City Nava Mastura, who highlighted on how they have been empowered by the NRM government under President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, emphasized political emancipation for women by ensuring affirmative action, which has seen many women politicians come on board unlike before. Women claim that during the 38 years of NRM government, they have been provided with opportunities to undertake tasks that were traditionally reserved for men, unlike in the past when women were solely confined in housework.
You can see a number of women, they are in big positions. I myself, I can give an example because now I'm the RCC of Nyendo Mukungwe. We have the Prime Minister, we have the VP is also a lady. I want to thank the President and his government to empower the women.
Power to lead others, being not left behind, to come in front. Their ministers were not there or recognized. There are so many women in responsible places. We have benefited and we are recognized more than previous days since liberation.
They also thanked President Museveni for introducing the special grant for the elderly because the old men and women above 65 years get some amount that sustains their living.
Mama wange mukadde ne kuguno omulembe nzisirabanga mukadde afuna sente buli mwezi nzijayo emitwalo 2.5 ne mugulira sukali takyasobola na kugendayo.
Women have also highlighted that they have experienced economic empowerment at the grassroots level under the NRM government. Nevertheless, it is crucial to achieve complete economic empowerment in order to eliminate their vulnerability.
Munana ejamenunula fenga abakyala era kati fe abasinga tukulidde ku guno omulembe. Guno omulembe gwe tukuliddemu ne gubanga mulabufu nnyo okusinziira ku mukulembeze w'eggwanga ebina ebibazi batuleetamu eyo wansi ne tubeera balabufu nnyo ne tukola kati tetukyasabiriza kudda okwegayira musajja mpa kino ate ne tubanga n'abakulembeze baffe batuwulirira mu bulungi be tuba tusabye ne babanga batuyamba.
Myaka 38 ejamenula kye tufunyeemu mwami Museveni kyatukoledde fenga abakyala yatujja emmanju n'atujja emabega n'atussa ku mwanjo ne tusobola okwekolera. Edda abakyala tebakolanga.
Tusobola okuba nti tweyiyiza emirimu gye tusobola okujjamu ssente okulabirira abantu baffe.
Nzikiriza nnyo ebintu byakola mbikirizamu wamu n'okumusaba okutongeramu amaanyi. Fenga abakyala abamu tubaako ne byetujjula mu bitundu byaffe. Ebina ebitusitula ebisinga bituuka ne batusuubiza abamu ne batatuwa. Ebimu ne bibatuwadde ne tubanga tubifunamu.
In the year 2001, the proportion of girls attending schools accounted for 24%, whereas presently they constitute to more than 49% of the total enrollment. The literacy rate for women has significantly increased from 43% in 1986 to over 72%, which serves as a clear indication of the empowerment of women in education under the NRM government in Uganda.
We can see our government is moving, and the big part is we, the women. We are pushing so hard. We are doing a lot because of our president. He looked into that and thought that, no, I have to work with the women.
Nava Mastura, the deputy RCC of Masaka City, in charge of Onyendo Mukungwe, asserts that the rights of women have been thoroughly respected and it is highly probable that women will assume positions of power in the future.
At least our rights are seen, because now those days women used to be behind, women used to be beaten by their husbands, but at least today we can see our rights, we can talk, we can do each and everything.
So kanga President Museveni abera mu byabufuzi twabakyala twafunamu okulaba nti tuyiga okulaba nti tukola emirimu eginatubeezaawo ng'abaami baffe bakyala singa bataliiwo.
According to what I'm seeing now, tomorrow, because tomorrow is always tomorrow, we can even see that women, you can take over this country because of our focus and our part we are doing.
Women affirm their unwavering faith in President Museveni and remain dedicated to supporting him due to his commitment to women's empowerment. They eagerly anticipate celebrating Liberation Day this Friday.
According to what we are seeing, please come and celebrate with us, and we thank the President, His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, for our rights and also to empower us.
Julius Mumza, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.
Wawaka mama moto wawaka.
Moto 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 guli waka kabamba.
Wawaka wawaka wawaka
moto guli waka kiboga.
Wawaka wawaka wawaka
moto guli waka lwamata.
Wawaka wawaka wawaka
moto guli waka katera.
Wawaka wawaka wawaka
moto guli waka bukomero.
Wawaka wawaka wawaka
moto wawaka mama moto wawaka.
Moto wawaka mama